big ass waves. Yet the canoe, thank God, we're managing, we're managing. Look at this shit. This is total insanity. We're going against the waves, guys. So we're seeing a lot of jumps, a lot of jumping, a lot of craziness. I don't want to tip the canoe. I don't want to break the canoe. So we're going nice and slow, guys. Because we're going against the current right now. This is crazy, guys. Oh my gosh. Look at it. Just straight. It's like going against big ass waves. This is insane. Look at this big one coming. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh no. There's big ones coming, guys. You gotta get out of here, ASAP. Get to safety. Gotta get to safety. This is crazy. This is insanity. This lake is just way too big for this shit, guys. This lake is not a joke. It's not even a fucking lake. It's like an ocean, guys. So we gotta go nice and slow, as you can tell. So we're cruising at really slow speed, guys. There's nothing we can do about it. We're going against the waves, so we have to do this.